Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices scaled a one-week peak, steered by simmering Middle East tensions and cooler US economic data that fueled fresh bets on Federal Reserve rate cuts. US gold futures settled 1.8% higher. US stocks rose after a strong outlook from Oracle-fueled optimism around artificial intelligence, offsetting worries about tension in the Middle East and a drop in Boeing shares. Oracle surged 14% to record highs after the cloud service provider raised its annual revenue growth forecast. Tether, the issuer of the world's largest stablecoin by market capitalization, continues its buying spree with its 32% stake acquisition in Canada's public gold royalty firm, Elemental Altus Royalties. The investment marks a milestone in Tether's strategy to integrate long-term stable assets.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.